Red Magic is well known for its gaming phones, and this year the company launched quite a handful of gaming phones. We got the Red Magic 7, Red Magic 7 Pro, Red Magic 7S and Red Magic 7S Pro. Out of these, the Red Magic 7, 7 Pro and 7S Pro also made it to the global market. Now the company is preparing to launch its next gaming phone series, and the Red Magic 8 Pro is one of those phones that is launching on December 26th in China. While there are still a few days left for the official launch, the company has already shared the design of the phone and also some key features. And it would not be wrong to say that this is definitely going to be one of the best looking phones that we have seen this year. The reason is that the Red Magic 8 Pro does not look like a traditional gaming phone with any aggressive and bold design with RGB lights all around. In fact, it has a minimal and clean design that includes flat sides with rounded edges, a vertical triple camera setup and some text on the back. Red Magic has also announced that it is changing its branding, so now you can see that the new branding is more minimal and clean than the previous one. On the front, there is a flat screen and the bezels on this phone are extremely thin. The side bezels are just 1.48mm and all of this results in an impressive 93.7% screen to body ratio. Also, as you can see, there is no hole punch cutout for the selfie camera because like the Red Magic 7 Pro, there is an under display selfie camera on the Red Magic 8 Pro. On both the sides, there are vents for the airflow because the phone has a built-in cooling fan. There is also a version with transparent back in which you can actually see the cooling fan with RGB lights if you want that gaming phone vibe. The side of the phone also has the shoulder triggers. And well, that is all about the design of the Red Magic 8 Pro. As for the features, the company has already shared that the phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, has LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The primary camera on the back has a 50 megapixel Samsung GN5 sensor. There is a 120Hz display. And while it may not look like a gaming phone from outside, it is indeed a gaming phone from inside. So for better thermals, there is a powerful cooling system inside, which the company claims can reduce the temperature of the phone by up to 16 degrees. It also uses some special vapor chamber which offers 100% better thermal conductivity than the traditional vapor chamber. The Red Magic 8 Pro also features the company's R2 chipset, which is used to accurately adjust the shoulder triggers, vibration, sound effects and other things to improve the gaming experience. Well, with this design and these features, the Red Magic 8 Pro seems to be the gaming phone to beat next year. Also, just like the Red Magic 7 and 7 Pro, we are expecting the Red Magic 8 Pro to launch outside of the Chinese market. Red Magic is known for pricing its phones quite aggressively, so let us see at what price the Red Magic 8 Pro launches in China on December 26th. Anyways, that is all about this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.